At a ceremony held recently, the St. Joseph's Catholic Church, Kynton-U-Mon in Nongkrem, East Khasi Hills District, was consecrated by parish priest Reverend Father Roy in the presence of other priests and members of the congregation. The church was initially erected through the sole efforts of Father Joseph RUBIO and assisted to completion by former MLA of Nongkrem, late H.S. SHYLLA, and former parish priest of NONGTHYMMAI Catholic Church, Father John Matthew.
Kalau pasal punat ya kajinga teli kajimpi kajinga trilang kajimpi. Tak kena kasi kalau kebajop day namar kajinga teli kajimpi. Dengan kuat berai kajikublei berkerpang epi iwei pa iwei nadu irang balang secretary balang paslo executive jiki berkerja epi iwei pa iwei ya kajing president kajimpi. Tak kena kasi kalau long kebajop ketoblei unang kerkru unang kerdo epi iwei pa iwei.